What's up, guys? Today I want to introduce you to a few friends of mine. That's Mr. Ghulam Ashraf. He runs a big business of container freight stations. That's a buddy of mine, Ronak Arora. He lives in Australia, works for Mercedes-Benz Financial Services currently. And that's a good buddy of mine, Ramandeep Singh Arora. He currently works in Gurgaon for Harvard Business Publishing. The reason I'm doing this video is I want to really share about the power of trust and the power of transparency.
Naren.
So these are buddies of mine. We've been buddies for about 10 plus years. And right now we're sitting in Ghulam's office. We're talking a lot of personal stuff, a lot of stuff that we won't share with other people. Numbers, how our business is doing, how our work is going, how we're working. Is that correct?
Yeah. Yes.
And I was just talking to them. The one biggest reason I think that we're comfortable in doing this, of course, is that we've spent a lot of time. But you see, some people we know for 10 years, 20 years, but we're still not comfortable in sharing these numbers or very personal things with them. So what is the difference that makes us share very personal things with each other? I think the biggest reason is transparency. So if I want Ghulam to share his personal stuff with me, Ronak, Raman to share their personal stuff with me, first I gotta open up myself. I gotta give them a little bit of myself, show them my vulnerable, my transparent part for them to become vulnerable and transparent. And it's been 10 plus years where we've been so transparent and vulnerable with each other in the past that now stuff that we would never say to even our lawyers, we're sharing on this table with each other. So I thought that was really interesting, and I'll introduce you guys to my friends. Much love, guys. Thanks for being a part of my video. I'll see you guys and peace out.
Much love.